everyone, today let's learn how to make beautiful birds, and for that I'm using an ivory sheet. I have made borders already. You can use any circular thing. I'm using stems here and just place them exactly there as you can see, and let's make a circle. And after making a circle for the face, let's make body, and for that I'm using a scale. 7 centimeter line you can draw, and with that line we will draw a semicircle and meet it in between the face, just like this. And we have made one semicircle and one circle and one triangle we will make for the beak. Now it's time to make tail. 3 curvy lines and 3 C in between, and now it's time to make wings with the straight diagonal line and 3 curves, and our one wing is ready and the back side will draw similarly. And now we will add an eye, beautiful circle and a semicircle inside it. Now we will draw our second bird with following the same steps. So let's watch all the steps carefully once again. And it's time to make some clouds in the sky, and we will add one in here where I feel the empty space is there, and one above the second bird. And let's add a sun also hidden behind clouds, and making clouds will help you to fill your space. And now it's time to erase extra lines between the wings, and we will erase all the drawing, and it should be a little bit visible. And here we will use poster colors, and as you can see here I'm opening my new box here of Artline poster colors. It has total 12 shades, and here we're going to learn about warm and cool colors also by doing this beautiful activity of drawing birds with learning cool and warm colors and poster colors also, how to do them. When we talk about warm colors, here I'm using lemon yellow, and there is a very easy technique to learn warm colors, that you can relate warm colors to sun. Which colors you can see in a sun, they will be all warm colors, such as lemon yellow, deep yellow, orange, red. These all are the warm colors. So in our first bird we're going to fill with warm colors. First I have painted with lemon yellow, the semicircle I painted with the chrome yellow, and I am mixing ochre yellow in the same chrome yellow and a little bit of red. It's a primary red, not a dark one. When we will mix both the colors, you will get a little yellowish orange, and that we will put in the tail. And here I am using a flat brush, and you can use a round brush also for the outlining part. It will be more helpful for you if you are a beginner. And here I am using a simple flat brush, and you need to know how to use the bristles, corners, edges of a brush when you're filling anything. Now we will be coming to the red color. I'm mixing it with the lemon yellow so that we will get a proper bright red color. And whenever you're using poster colors, try to mix them well, especially when you're putting water or mixing with any other color. Mix them well before you apply it in the sheet. Let's just fill all the warm color. And here it's time to make cool colors. Here I'm using white and blue color, and mix both of them nicely and apply it in the face, the circle part. a Persian blue and mixing with the same color, and we will put it in the body, in the semicircle. And after blue color, we having crimson lake, which we going to mix with the same blue and white. It will become a violet color, or a light pink also you can use instead of it. And they all are cool colors. Cool colors are the colors you can relate with the sky and the grass both. Whatever colors you see in the sky when there is no sun, not around the sun I mean, and it will be your cool colors. And in the green tones, blue tones, violet tones, these all are your cool colors. So let's just do it. For the clouds, as we have done in the previous videos also, we will use the same blue we have done in the semicircle body. We will make outline, thick outline, and in the center we will apply white color and blend them nicely so that you will get a proper cloudy effect with these poster colors. And now I'm using a chrome yellow for the sun and sun rays. You can add some orange also if you want to. And it's the time to give eyes a highlight, and always use the black color in the last so that our water will be stay clean, and your brush also. So always go from light to dark when you're doing any kind of painting. So let's just make some birds in the sky, and the warm and cool colors I'm going to highlight with markers. You can use any sketch pen. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you liked the video as much as I did. Bye everyone.